Hello, welcome to another vlog. Today it's the 28th December. I don't know when this will be up, but I got out of the shower, I cleaned, I filmed the cleaning video, and now we are getting a new fridge because the other one's broken. They are here now. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage. There's a gap. My camera battery died, but there's a gap in my door for my pictures. I don't know if it's standing there, it's kind of awkward. My niece is still here. She's gonna be here until New Year's. If you haven't seen my Christmas with me video, I showed her there. She came on Christmas. And this is, I actually bought this one the other day and it's so cozy. I got it from a place called Lager 157 and it's so cozy, so pretty. And I also got this one, and this one, which is more green than it looks. It's like pastel green. You can see it's kind of green, but it's more green in real life, honestly. And then this one, which is a pink turtleneck. And I got like these because I love to wear men's underwear. And the ones from Lager 157 are the best. They're so comfortable. So I bought these, 3 of those. There are 2 white and 1 red. It's like 3 for like 100. And then I bought 2 workout shorts, a pair of jogging pants, and that's it. Yeah, right now I'm just editing. And Tina is here. Hey Tina. We'll see what nice fridge we get. Or update you on my implant. This is what it looks like. It's just a little bloop, as you can see. It's where they cut it. You can see under there's a white mark. That's my old scar where they put it in. As you can see, the stick moved a little bit. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't hurt or anything. I don't have any bruises either. Never felt any pain. The only thing was painful was when I took off the bandage. I will put a little clip here when I did it, but I put a what did I say? When I removed the band-aid, like it sticks so well to the skin, like it's so painful to remove because I have lots of hairs on my arm too. Yeah, so that's the only thing that was painful. Now he said bye, so I'm guessing they're done with the refrigerator. I don't know, that's quick. Or oh yeah, vlog. Wow, what a cool. Oh hi, hello. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. I'm doing a vlog. Oh, this is very so this apartment hasn't been renovated since like the 80s, I think. But oh. Ooh la la, look at this fruit and vegetables box. Oh, it's English. Oi, big box. Oh, it's a pizza there. Okay, cool, look at this. Very, very nice. You're in the bye-bye. We had a problem with the other fridge. Well, it was broken, but the door kept closing on itself. But this one is open, finally. Are you happy with your new refrigerator?
Yes.
1 out of 10?
10.
Oy. What do you think? 1 out of 10, Tina?
10.
I agree. Oh, he said it doesn't cost anything. Got it for free. This is pretty cool. I don't know what this means though. It says 30 or 3 seconds. result. Still kind of messy, but this is the best I could do. It looks better in my opinion. I like this one. Look at that, Nini's stuff. And then fresh box, just have some vegetables for Tina in here. Fresh, like I boiled carrots and things like that. So yeah, we're done with this. And then the freezer, nothing special in here, but I like it. It's clean, except for this. Look how gross this fucking thing is. It's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. So I made something called korv stroganoff. I don't know what it is in English, but it's rice and like sausage and some sauce thingy. So that's what I'm gonna eat now and watch YouTube. Hello, hi. I stopped filming yesterday. No, it wasn't even yesterday. It was 2 days ago that I filmed. Whatever. I'm with my niece and we're gonna bake today. We're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna bake knick. I don't know what that is in English, but we'll put it here somewhere, knick. And we will bake some cola, butter cola thing, and then also peanut butter cups. First of all, we're gonna start with the cola thing. It says 3 deciliter like whipped cream, and then 1 deciliter syrup, 2 deciliter sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, and then this spice thingy that we're not gonna use. So yeah. Are you ready to bake? Yes. Oh. Oh. So we're gonna make peanut butter cups, but I want to make some in white chocolate too, so I'm just gonna melt this and then coat it with this. I think I made a video when I made peanut butter cups like a long time ago, like 2016 or something. So I will coat these and then I will put the peanut butter and the, what's it called, powdered sugar I think, and then I put chocolate over it again. So I'm gonna do that now. It needs to go up to 124. This is the cola thing. We decided to not do the knick, which I don't know what it's called in English, because it's pretty much the same. But yeah, so we made this and it's really yummy. You're supposed to leave this in the fridge now and make it cold, and then you take it out and then you cut it. So that's what we're gonna do later. And now we can start with the chocolate chip cookies. By the way, she likes her new toy. She's on it all the time, and this one she's been biting, a Christmas present. Okay, my dad's home from the grocery store now. We got the Smarties that we're gonna put in the cookie thingy. So I actually bought sushi for tomorrow because they're closed tomorrow, and tomorrow it's It's New Year's Eve. So I have sushi for fun. This is called ebi maki. This is called riset maki. I don't know what that, but it's fried shrimp in there. These are just nice. Okay, we're gonna put these last cookies in the oven.
Oh my god.
Okay, 8 minutes. 8-9 minutes, something like that. I'm just gonna try one. Just, you know, see what it tastes like, even though I already know.
Jag kunde inte hålla det. Ni ville bara ha mer, så varför tog du den?
För jag måste. Nu vill jag ha med.
Jag sa ju.
We tried another cookie recipe because these weren't as good actually, but these are a lot better. Okay, we got the peanut butter cup. Try it. Was it good?
Yes.
1 out of 10. 1 to 10.
9.
9! Oi. Good. So, I haven't been filming. This vlog is kind of shitty, right? By the way, another update on my arm. That's what it looks like. A little cut, but it's closed now. Like, it's not open. Still not hurting. Hasn't been hurting at all. I'm gonna shower. No, I have just got out of the shower. I'm gonna put on curls in my hair and then I'm going to sleep. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you... this is the last video of the year, so... what do you want to see next year? Tell me down below. Tell me down below what you want to see next year. And tell me what you're doing today on New Year's. I'm not doing anything. See you on my next video. See you next year. Love you, bye.